You have got to be kidding me. You have really got to be kidding me. So one of the things that we teach in our fixed ops training is something we call show and tell. We have learned that most dealerships do not come close to their true potential because advisors actually talk over the customer's head. They just don't understand what they're selling them. So we teach this concept called show and tell, where we actually show the customer what is wrong. We show them the problem, the issue, the parts right at their car. And it's very effective. Now, when they're not there, they drop their car off, we create a video and we post a video on YouTube and we send them the link. It's that simple. And results are fantastic. Now, a couple of years ago, one of my trainers was at a dealership and they actually made a video. And I'm going to share that video with you in a minute because we actually use this video now in our training. It was that good. So let me play the video for you right now, and then I will give you the scenario of what happened that created today's You've Got to Be Kidding Me.
This is Ryan. I have your RAV4 right here, and a couple things that I found during my inspection is I noticed a lot of corrosion on your battery, and I tested your battery slip right here. It's showing up as replaced battery, low cold cranking amps. We'll walk over to the side of your vehicle here. I'll show you the difference between your cabin air filter. This is the cabin air filter that was in your vehicle that is filled up of the dirt that you're breathing through, coming through. And this is what a new cabin air filter looks like. Next item I would like to show you is your rear brake pads. That is what you have left of your rear brake pads. You're down to 2 millimeters. This is what a brand new rear brake pad would be with 12 millimeters. We will machine your rotors. They are not bad enough to have to be replaced, so we can save those. And the last thing that I will show you is the axle seal from your rear differential that is leaking down off the backside of your differential, and the rear diff breather that is also seized on top, which is causing that pressure buildup to leak out. Thank you. I will send you this video and have the advisors get with you shortly. Have a great day. Bye.
Okay, so now you've watched the video, and it was very effective. Now, the service manager was not pro making these videos. Now, I don't know if you caught this, but the video was not actually made by the service advisor. It was made by the technician, because the technician has so much to gain from that repair being sold. It was on his rack. He wanted to create the hours and the repair. The service manager was not for this, and he did not support what we were doing in the dealership. As a matter of fact, he told my trainer that you are wasting your time, especially with this customer. They've been in before and they never purchased anything. Didn't stop us. So we made the video, we sent the video to the customer, and guess what? The customer bought everything. It wasn't a large repair order, about $800, but it created revenue, it created commissionable gross for the service advisor and the technician, and it created profit for the dealership, and it created a happy customer. Here's where this gets interesting. Here's what the service manager told the trainer and the technician and the advisor. You got lucky this time. We didn't get lucky. You see, luck increases when you put forth more effort. We did the right things and we might have gotten lucky, but we wouldn't have gotten anything had we just called the customer and tried to explain all these items that need to be repaired. Now we left, and keep in mind, we are now using this video from this dealership in our training. Here's the best part of all. I personally bumped into the dealer a couple of weeks ago. I asked him how he was doing. He said, I'm still struggling. Guess what? They're not sending out videos. They're not bringing customers to their car. He told me the service manager believes it just takes too much time. So I've got two You've Got to Be Kidding Me's. Number one, we proved it worked. You've got to be kidding me as a service manager that you're not doing this. And number two, to the dealer, you've got to be kidding me. Why is this service manager still your service manager? You owe it to your team to make sure they have the right leadership skill sets to do the right things to be successful and profitable. And we wonder why we're not making more money in our dealerships. Good luck, everyone.